Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 18th day of May, and temperatures this morning near record levels across the state. It's still amazingly cool, but coming up, a big warm-up as we hit the 80s by the end of the week and the weekend. Check some of the Skycam shots early this morning at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. That's the Birmingham Skycam looking north from the Daniel Building. Most spots are in the 40s. There's a look at downtown Gadsden. Sky is clear there. And how about that big old moon over the Tombigbee River? That's the Skycam at the Demopolis Civic Center in North Marengo County near the confluence of the Tombigbee and the Black Warrior Rivers. Yeah, buddy, we've still got the block, but it's beginning to break down. Big upper low to the northeast, another one out west. And look at those numbers, 39 at Haleyville. Goodness. Check the records for May 18th. Birmingham's record low is 44 from 1973. We are within 2 degrees of that at 46. And Anniston's got 41, Gadsden 43. So some of the other stations might have established new record lows. We'll dive deeper in the record books later this morning. But I'm telling you, you're not going to see numbers like that until probably October. Around the nation, it's hard to find any really warm air. It's cold with 30s and 40s. A little tongue of warmer air coming up through South Texas. But again, that will be changing in coming days. And of course, with a watch warning map, severe weather's no problem with cool, stable air in place. We do have flash flood issues up in the northeast and some winter weather problems for the mountains out west. Check the convective outlook. This is for today and tonight. Slight risk of severe weather for parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. Tomorrow, risk of severe weather from near Abilene, Texas, north up to Oklahoma City and up into southern Nebraska. And on day 3, which is Friday, slight risk of severe weather near Waco, Texas to Omaha, Nebraska. And that would include Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, and Kansas City. And, of course, we'll keep an eye on that, but no issues down here. In fact, not much rain for the next 5 days. This is the QPF chart. Expected rain through the weekend, through Sunday evening at 7. And it's got a little sliver of light green, meaning maybe a trace of rain for parts of North Alabama. That would be a slight chance of a shower Sunday, but, again, the chance is just so small, we're not going to mention it. The bigger numbers well to the north and west of here. All right, the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Pattern still blocked up, and down below that should be a fairly decent day today, and the warming trend begins. Now, still, temperatures will be below average. We're expecting a high somewhere in the low 70s today. We should be in the 80s, of course, this time of the year, but we'll call it partly to mostly sunny. Tomorrow, the warm-up really begins. We hit low to mid-80s tomorrow, around 83. Lots of sunny weather here, and again, you can see the severe weather setup out there for the southern plains. A sub-1,000 millibar low on the eastern plains of Colorado and parts of Texas and Oklahoma looking prime for severe weather there. Friday, that whole pattern not moving much as a ridge takes over, and we really warm up. The GFS is showing 89 on Friday, so we're going to go from needing a jacket this morning to sweating on Friday afternoon. And Saturday, the ridge holds. The upper feature lifts well to the northwest, and again, we should be warm and dry to kick off the weekend with highs probably around 90. In fact, the GFS is now showing 91. What a change from last weekend when people were bundled up. Sunday, the same deal. Highs around 90. Good deal of sunshine. The chance of a shower is so small, not worth mentioning. All right, Monday, the ridge is beat down a little bit, but not much. We stay pretty much warm and dry. Highs up there close to 90, and there's the surface chart. All the organized rain stays well to the west and north. Tuesday, same deal, and Wednesday of next week, a week from today, the 25th, got a trough coming in, and then the models have not shown a lot of consistency with this. It's still got the better rain to the north and west, and Thursday of next week, the 26th, instead of the trough coming through and maybe bringing a severe weather threat, really this time it's got the main dynamic support passing a bit north of us with just maybe a few scattered showers and storms. And then on the 27th, kind of showery and Again, chance of any severe weather at this point would look small on this run, but other runs have said otherwise. So confidence is low. That could be the next organized rain event toward the latter half of next week, about 7-8 days from now. And we'll peek the end of the forecast on the 2nd of June. The upper air winds down here light and variable, and down below that, it's quiet. And yeah, look at that tropical looking thing out there in the Atlantic. You know, hurricane season kicks off June 1st. It'll be about that time of the year soon to start looking at the tropics. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Never witnessed anything like this, and I hope we never do again.
People are coming in to help them. That's what Alabama's all about. It's almost as if a bomb went off.
My baby's alive. My husband's alive. We made it.
I'm demolished. I don't have nothing. Just chaos, really.
It's just a nightmare that I know that I cannot wake up from.
God can do with it as He will.